I'm Thomas Smith, and this is a look at my Flagburg Israeli flags. This is a 3-foot by 5-foot flag, so it means it's quite big, and the quality of the construction on it, I'm very happy with it. It's not just one sheet of fabric where the flag has been printed on there. You can see, if you look at this, it's actually individual panels that have been nicely sewn together. It's a synthetic fabric, so I think it'll hold up really well outside. Got multiple stitches reinforcing the edges. And then if you look at the Star of David on here, you can see it's actually separately embroidered on there. So it's not just printed, it's actually embroidered with thread. Everything is nicely double, or even in this case, quadruple stitched along the seams on the outside. It's just big, nice, vibrant colors. And I think this is gonna hold up great. It's got these nice grommets on the side, so you can attach it to your flagpole. Again, those are well reinforced with a double backing of the fabric on there. So this is not just, you're sort of use it for a little bit and then you're not going to be able to use it anymore type of flag. This is really something you could fly for a long time. The condition is great here, and I think it's going to hold up extremely well, and it's just vibrant and big and looks great.